Have you ever wondered why some people invest in gold, some bet everything on Bitcoin, and others build massive wealth through real estate? Three assets, three different paths, but only one question matters. Which is the best investment for you? Let's break it down. Segment 1. Gold. Gold is one of the oldest investments in human history. For over 5,000 years, it has been a symbol of wealth, stability, and security. During economic crises, inflation, or currency crashes, gold tends to hold its value. That's why it's called a safe haven asset. But here's the truth. Gold doesn't generate income. It just sits there. And historically, its returns are moderate, around 6 to 8% annually. So yes, gold protects your wealth, but it rarely multiplies it. Gold is not for getting rich fast. It's for staying safe. Segment 2. Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Created in 2009, Bitcoin is often called digital gold. But unlike gold, Bitcoin is limited. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. This scarcity is what drives its value. And the returns? Explosive. People have made 10x, 50x, even 100x gains. But there's a catch. Bitcoin is extremely volatile. It can rise 100% and drop 50% in a very short time. Plus, regulations and government policies can impact its future. Bitcoin is not stable. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, perfect for those who can handle uncertainty. Segment 3. Real estate. Now comes real estate, the asset that has created the most millionaires in the world. Why? Because real estate does two powerful things. First, it appreciates in value over time. Second, it generates passive income through rent. And here's the real advantage: leverage. You can buy a big property using a small amount of your own money and let the bank finance the rest. Over time, your tenants pay your loan and you build equity. But real estate also has downsides. It requires high capital, it's not easy to sell quickly, and it needs management. Real estate is not fast, but it's one of the most powerful long-term wealth builders. Let's simplify this. Gold equals safety. Bitcoin equals growth. Real estate equals wealth plus cash flow. Each asset plays a different role. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. Smart investors don't choose just one. They diversify. A balanced strategy could look like this: 40% real estate, 30% gold, 30% Bitcoin. This way, you protect your money, you grow your money, and you generate income. The biggest mistake people make? They look for the best investment instead of building the right combination. Because the truth is, wealth is not built by one asset, it's built by a system. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to FinTales Studio for more powerful finance content.